the channel. Today we're playing American Farming, episode 3 of the Dairy Farm series. We're out harvesting right now. We got this combine going, this combine going. This one's about full. You have to go unload him quick. Make sure he's doing good on the move. Gotta unload him on the go. See what gear are we setting this in. There we go. First one loaded up. Oh, it's the other one that was almost full. All right, right there. He can still fit one more load. On there. We have lots of land to cover. Disking and still harvesting, so make sure the animals have food. Okay, we gotta feed them. They got barely any food. Now they got food. And I can throw this out. This 1086 on a disc. We're gonna have to be running 2 discs. And I don't have enough money yet for a big disc, so that also kind of stinks. Everyone's still harvesting pretty good so far. maps. Growth. You can see we are almost done knocking out fields. Not really. This is going to take us a while. But that's fine. We'll just wait here for a minute. We got the other 1086 out because we're going to bring it back out here quick. We got some manure from the cows. We're going to see what it takes to fill up this spreader. See, there's Dad's truck. And now we're just gonna see how much manure gets filled into this thing. That's a lot of poo. And there's still more poo left. Would you look at that? We got a full load of poo. And if physics work like this, now we got the load of poo. We're gonna hop in the Pete and connect the milk trailer to see how much milk we get, because the trailer's just parked there. It's not sucking out any milk yet. And they're already full. Gotta get used to green one. Alright, not bad. Let's get this unloaded. Alright, we better get out of the field. Now let's jump back into the Peterbilt and figure out how to load this up. There. That's a lot of babies. Alright, I think we'll just wait it. Got calves here. I have no clue where to take the milk. think I have to go to the creamery. It's just in town over here. Let's see. Maps, location, creamery number 9. Yep. There's only one creamery. Yep. I know exactly where to go. Right there. We don't want to take out any street signs. As we just took out one. Didn't take the sign out. That's good. I guess we just turn around. $12 grand? Let's go. Sweet. That's great money. Yep, they're full. I knew it. I'll take this home. You know what, actually? Just so we can have a constant flow going. We need to keep the money going. Come on, old Red. This is episode 3. All right, now we're good to go. All right, oh, get in the creeps right now. Get in the creeps. We can make the bridge. We can make the bridge crossing. Just. Ah! Oh no! Oh my gosh! I knew it. Stop! Oh great! No. I did not want this to happen. Come on, it's almost out. Yes, 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 come on. We'll get it up. Alrighty. Nothing happened, alrighty? You didn't see anything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.